again. Um, okay, now I'd like to do something um to align. Do you see that the GitHub is not in the same line as the SoundCloud and email? So what I'd like to do, and this is because if you can see, the text in the SVG is inside a container, and the container has um, the justify items here. That's the feature or the property that controls how the items are um, distributed along the space of the container. So this is the space of the container, and the justify item says that they're supposed to be evenly distributed. But because the SoundCloud text is kind of longer than the GitHub, then this is how it distribute them over that space. So what we'd like to do is basically put the um, I'd like to put them around, right? Like this, or maybe stretch. Okay, so like this. So both of them to be at the sides of the container, but I also like them to have some padding or margin from the container. So what I'll do, I'll put both of them in another container, put a margin on that container, and then put the GitHub and the logo with in between justify items, so that will make it like we want it to be. So let's do it right now. I'll make another container, and now I have here a text, SVG, and a container. So I'll take that text, copy it, put that text in the container. I'll take that SVG and put it in the container. And now I can just delete the text, delete the SVG, and now I have what I wanted. I just need to fix a couple of things. So I have a container inside a container, and what I'd like to do is to make that container a flex, a row, and to take a width full. What else? Now I want to do this, and I want to put some margin on it, right, on the container. So let's put MX4, and this is it, right? So now if I'll also duplicate, I'd like to duplicate this. Let's see that this is the container that I want. Yeah, this one. So I'll take this and just duplicate it, and another duplication. Now I can just remove this. Well, you know what? I'll just change first the text, sound cloud. And when I put it next to each other, you can see how this is aligned as I want it to, and these are both aligned. I only need to sync with the right logo, so I'll just take it from here. I can also like copy it and put it right there. Let's first remove it and add it And there you have it. Now you can see that this logo is aligned perfectly with this, and the GitHub and SoundCloud is aligned as well. See you next video.